Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today I will show you how you can easily create this gradient blue smoky eyeshadow which is perfect for holidays. I'm Chandni and without any further ado, let's dig into the video. After priming my lids with a concealer, I will use Patricia Bright rich in color eyeshadow palette and take the shimmering eyeshadow to highlight my brow bone. Then I will take a bright blue shade called Ocean Deep and place it in my inner half. We are gonna create a nice gradient effect. Then I will take a deeper blue shade called No Boo and apply in the middle part. I am not just placing the shades but blending them too and kind of mixing the edges together. Here I switched the blending brush with a flat shader brush as it wasn't picking much color. Then I'll pick the vibrant violet color called Reckless and use it in the outer V. It is called outer V or outer half, whatever, and then blend everything by taking the deep blue shade. For this look, blending is the key. See how nicely everything is summing up together. And flicking is also necessary to give it an elongated effect. Then taking a kajal or a pencil liner from Faces Canada, I am lining the upper lash line. Today I am not creating any wing. We will keep it close to the lashes. Then I'll again take the deep blue eyeshadow with a pencil brush to smoke the liner. Without taking any color, I am using a fluffy blending brush to blend and mix everything once again. To tight line and for lower lash line, I will use the same kajal again. To set the kajal, I will use the deep blue shade in the inner half of the lower lash line and the violet shade in the outer half. To highlight the inner corners, I will use shimmering again. This will open up the eyes. Then after curling my lashes, I will use Myglamm Twisted Mascara, which is my favorite, and when it dries, I will again curl it to warm it up. To finish up the look, I'm using Swiss Beauty falsies called Pixie. How beautiful the look came out, oh my god, I'm stunned, as it was totally experimental. If you liked this look, please consider to subscribe, like and share. It will really help my channel to grow, and I will make more videos. See ya.